What's up, guys? Coming back at you today with a mail time kind of thing. Got this in the mail today from heli-nation. I actually ordered it off eBay. It was a little bit cheaper going through eBay and getting it from them than going through their actual website. So figured I'd do like a little type of, I don't know, mail time unboxing kind of thing before we delve into all these different things we're going to do. This should be the Qx7 mod from heli-nation, the TBS mod. That way you can make your crossfire work with your Qx7, and also the Horus, the X10 I believe is the one that it is that you need to do this mod with. I don't have one of those, so this is going to be going into my X7S. So let's get into this thing and see what we got. Kind of curious to see how big it actually is, as I've heard everybody else say that it's actually extremely tiny. So we'll see. And let's see, we got, there's the module, and sticker from heli-nation. Sweet, so I can stick that with all my other stuff. Alright, this sucker is tiny. Holy crap. I'm used to working with small components on computers and stuff, but some of this stuff that's going in these drone parts are microscopic, it seems. Alright, let's see if I can get her out of there. That's it. That's all it is. See if I can zoom it in for you. That's all it is. It's that right there. Little bitty tiny thing. That's all that there is. And this is so you do not have to lower your baud rate and do the software mod. This makes it to where you can do the full 400K instead of dropping it down lower. Alright, I'll zoom back out so y'all don't have to sit there and stare at my fingers and all that good jazz. But yeah, to give you an idea, let's see. I really don't have anything to compare it to. My finger is a little bitty. It keeps jumping around. There you go. That's on my pinky. So just to give you an idea on how small it actually is, it is tiny. I don't really have anything sitting around that I can pull out. I didn't even think about pulling anything out because I didn't think about comparing the size of it. But yeah, it's a little bitty, just to give you an idea. The wrapper, the package that it comes in is probably about 2" by 4". So, I mean, it's little. It's probably, it's smaller than 1/2 inch. But yeah, stay tuned to the next couple videos because we'll do the install and all that good stuff. Now that I have a camera that I can actually zoom in and you're not seeing everything around my table. And it's been freezing cold out, so this gives me something to do. So you guys can catch it on the next one. Till then, keep them in the air. Alright guys, so this next section, I didn't have anything sitting around, and I managed to go scrounge some stuff up, and I couldn't figure out how to splice the video into the other stuff, so I just added it on at the end until I get better at editing some of this stuff. So here's some comparisons with some US coins. Thanks guys. Alright, let's see if I can show you exactly how small this thing is now that I have some stuff to compare it to. Let me zoom in so you can see this. Alright, this will be, for those not in the US, I don't know how to explain this, but here's a size comparison with some change. That's on a dime. If you're not in the US, that's our smallest currency that we have. Penny. And a quarter. Just to give you an idea on the size of how small this thing really is. I mean, it's tiny. Now I see why people decided to do this way and put it on a PCB board versus actually getting the chip itself and soldering it on as just a bare chip. This makes it a whole lot easier to do.